We got pork spare ribs going on the grill for under 15 bucks. We're going to throw it on at 500. Going to do 6 to 7 minutes per side and then in the oven for 2 hours. Going to cut off a little bit of that membrane that was left over. Make sure we got this thing in a super good spot. Want some solid grill marks if we can. Of course, I'm using my SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. This is my go-to right here, guys. You got to get some if you don't have it already. Suckle busters, and then that's that chicken rub. I know these are ribs. That's my secret hack. Don't tell no one. And then, of course, check on these things. Make sure you're getting that sear that you want. And then if you have a little bit too much fire, come in with that water bottle. Get that thing nice and cooled off. And then this awkward flip, you know what I'm saying? Not very camera friendly, but it's okay. A little bit more SPG. And then a little bit more of that chicken rub. I know it sounds crazy, guys, but the chicken rub is next level. After that, we're going to go ahead and hit it with some Worcestershire sauce. My goal here is to keep the meat hydrated, make sure that it's nice and juicy once everything's done.
I like when we cook together. Come on this side.